guys, 2 videos in 2 days, must be going good. Right, I'm in my own truck. She's an old girl, but I love her to pieces. I couldn't part with her whatsoever. She's done 207,000 miles and she does everything. My Pathfinder does everything I want her to do. So me and my dog, we're off to tip, and then something went bang. So listen to this. Exhaust is broken, guys. Right guys, so when we get back, we're going to have to get underneath this thing and find out where it's split. You can actually buy it in a couple of sections, so let's hope it's just the back box. Right guys, so this is my old girl, bless her. We'll start with back box there, let's get underneath together, let's have a look. I hope it's back box, because hello, exhaust. Everything looks intact there. Let's have a look. Oh, Shazzy looks alright. No breakage in pipe there, no breakage. You see it go right across there. No breakages there. Wonder where it's coming from. Right, we'll check that catalytic converter now, guys. Flexi hoses looks intact. Right, that's not good news, boys, because looks like we're going to have to pop the bonnet now. Right guys, so I've popped bonnet straight away. I'm looking for a lot of soot. Oh yes, and I can see it. Can you guys see it? Let's just look at that. Oh no, look at that. All the soot here. Look. Suzanne, start it for me. Well, that's nailed it, guys. I think we've got ourselves a cracked exhaust manifold. And I should have noticed it, because I've noticed my mounts on gearbox are knocking a bit, so there's movement in the engine. Right guys, so that's definitely a cracked exhaust manifold on my old girl. So that's turbo out, exhaust manifold off, and it's my fault for ignoring, she's an old girl, 270,000 miles. Engine mounts and gearbox mounts. Notice when I change gear I get a bit of a thud every now and again, especially when I'm really powering on. So I get round it, went to my spares department, and I've got an exhaust manifold here. I've took off an engine. You see it's snap stud there, threaded stud there, and snap stud there. That'll probably take me about 5 hours to drill them out. They're hardened steel. What a nightmare, and you've got to do it to absolute perfection. But what can I do? It's just more work. Another vehicle will get the job done and send it back to me. So if you need my help and assistance, the contact details are in the description list below. Thanks for watching. Come again and give us a like.